El presidente de Nicaragua, Daniel Ortega, aseguró que Estados Unidos intenta...
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I was wrong. Previous show, I said that I was receiving China radio, and I thought it was a transmitter over in China. Turns out they have their transmitter down in Cuba working again, and that's probably what I was hearing. That's why it was so strong. But there's something going on right now, and it may be due to the weather here locally in Florida and down in Cuba, Bahamas. We have another tropical storm down there, and that may be affecting it, because what you were listening to just then is Radio Habana, and I've struggled with even getting that, which of course is from Cuba, but it's coming in strong, and it seems to be varying from about an S7 to 20 over. And it's very clear. I'll turn it back up for a second.
El campeón olímpico de los medianos, o sea 75 kilogramos, Arlen López, se puso 5-0.
So, I don't know what's going on. Don't know if it's local. I just checked the solar flux index, and it's 74. It has been a 69. The larger the number, of course, the better you're likely to have good propagation on HF bands. So I suggest that you turn your shortwave radios on and see what you're getting. I don't know if it's just, the effect is just local to people around that tropical storm, or it has nothing to do with the tropical storm. But I am definitely receiving signals that it's been a long time since I've received a strong broadcast. And I'm going to continue to tune the band and see what else I can find. Matter of fact, I'm going to do that right now for a few minutes and let you watch. Here we go. I was at 9.530.
These people are willing to cooperate with peoples of all for the restoration and development of international trade to promote production and economic growth. On the day the People's Republic was founded,
Okay, that's China radio that I was receiving earlier. It's just as strong as it was an hour ago, hour and a half ago, at 9.570. But I realized I made a boo-boo, and the transmitter is probably in Cuba, not in China. Let's go on.
mutual benefit and mutual respect for each other's territorial
I'm in my 31 meter band. Whoa. Wow. When I got above 9.570, the noise level, I don't think the noise level is up, it's just there's no signals. We'll go on. Here we go.
Me sentí un poco fuera de distancia, tal vez por los días que llevo sin pelear. Además de que es un contrario difícil, pero lo importante es que logré la victoria y seguro que estaré mejor en lo...
That's probably 9.640. That could be, let me look it up. Stand by. That could be Radio Habana again. 9460. No. Wrong. Making a lot of mistakes today. 9640. And that could be, let me sort these based on, yeah, that's probably Radio Habana. Let me see what else is there. 9645. Let me see if I can get. No. There's something way down in the noise level. Let's go on. 9.955. Let me look that up. 9955. And that could be close to me. Oops, stand by. That could be WRMI in Okeechobee. Should be getting that. Okeechobee, Florida. Should be getting that. Yeah, it's in there. Not too strong. I'm guessing that's what that is. It's going up. There's WWV. Okay, I did not hear the station out of Hawaii, which is a female voice. All I heard was the male voice. So, not doing too good there. Now, it is, oh my gosh, what time is it? It's 9:41. Oh my gosh, where'd the day go? So, for me, the 31 meter band, International Broadcast Band, comes in about this time of day. It goes from the 49 meter band to the 31 meter band. So I don't know. Maybe it's just local, being Cuba stations thereabouts, that for some reason I pick it up. Maybe because of that tropical storm down in that area. Don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.